everyone. Lynsie McKeown here. So today's practice is going to be a pranayama, which is a breathing technique, which is kind of unique because we're not just breathing, we're actually going to be humming and making some sound as we hum, because sound is an incredible way to help us shift our mood, and that includes shifting our perspective and where our thoughts are. So this is a great technique if you feel like you just need to elevate your mood a little bit. It's also a great technique if you feel like your mind is too busy and you can't really focus. It's just ping-ponging all over the place. It might feel a little frenetic. So this is a nice soothing technique to quiet the fluctuations of the mind. It's very soothing for the nervous system. And it just elevates your mood as well. We know this. If you put on your favorite song and you sing or do some movement with it, it just totally shifts the way you feel in your body and your mind. So this technique is super simple. It can be done as a practice all by itself, or you can add it on before you practice asana. You can add it on before you practice meditation. So use it often and frequently. So let's go ahead and get started. So sit up nice and tall, whether you're on the floor or in a chair. And then just take a nice deep breath in through the nose and just exhale through the mouth. Just feel yourself kind of release into this moment, into this space. Let's do that again. One more time, breathing in. Make some sound this time. And feel the body soften. Okay, so with this technique, what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumbs, and don't do it yet because you won't be able to hear me. You're going to close off the flap right here at your ears. So you're closing off external sound, and you're going to take your fingers and you're going to place those on top of your head. There's another mudra that you can do for this, but we're not going to do that one today, so don't worry about it. Thumbs close off the ears, fingers on top of the head, and what's going to happen is you're going to breathe in, and you'll lift the chin slightly, and then as you exhale, you're going to bring the chin parallel to the floor, and you're going to hum. And you can play with the tone of the sound that you make. It can be higher pitched, lower pitched, but feel like the sound is vibrating from the heart and rising into the head. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate it, and then we'll do it together. So it's going to look like this. Okay, so we're going to do it together, and we'll do it about 8 times, and if you want to go longer, you can, but you'll have to count on your own because you're not going to be able to hear me. And then after you do the 8 counts, or do it 8 times, then you just bring your hands down to your thighs. Okay, so again, you're going to breathe in through the nose, lift the chin. If anything is bothering you in your neck, don't worry about lifting the head and nodding. Just keep the chin parallel to the floor. So you breathe in through the nose, and then as you exhale, when you do that hum and play with the tone, feel the sound rise from the heart into the head. Okay, let's do it together. Breathe in. Exhale again. Take the thumbs, close off, breathe in. And then as you finish the last round, hands come down to the knees. just simply pause and breathe. Just perhaps sensing that vibration rising from the heart to the head. And just noticing how you feel in this moment in your body and your mind and your emotions. After a few short rounds. And just noticing that it doesn't take much to shift where we are in any given moment. It just takes a willingness to do what we need to do to actually get out of our heads and back into our hearts. So when you're ready, you can take a deep breath in and out. Stay here in meditation or simply coming back and noting that you can add this technique, which is actually called bee breathing or Bhramari breathing. You can add this in at any point in your day. You don't have to sit formally, and just add it in whenever you can, because it's hard to have a negative thought when you're humming. And again, add it in before your physical practice, after your physical practice, before meditation. A great way to help you drop more inward and get out of the freneticness of your day, your thoughts, your body. So until next time, my friends, leave a comment below. Let me know how the practice is going. I'd love to hear from you. Until then, take care. Blessings.